Do you guys love those Wendy's famous chicken nuggets? I know we do in our house. Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, guys, so in order to make these Copycat Wendy's famous chicken nuggets, it all starts with the dredge. So we've got some coarse cornmeal here. We're going to add some corn flour, our salt, some turmeric, cayenne pepper, that is important, paprika, black pepper, a little bit of oregano, and we've got to give that a little bit of a mush. Release those flavors, and our onion powder and our garlic powder. Oh, it's smelling so good already. And that all goes into one bowl, and then we're just going to whisk that together. Okay. Transfer about 1/2 cup of that to a sealed container to dredge. Beat 1 egg. Okay, guys, now after you slice your chicken, and I've taken just boneless, skinless chicken breast, sliced it thin like that, and then on the wide pieces, went in again and just cut it in half so that they're more nugget sized. All right, so into our beaten egg are going to go several pieces of our chicken. And let me get a little bit more friendly utensil. All right. Now, those go like this into the egg wash, and then they come out of the egg wash and into the dredge mixture. And we don't want a lot of egg hanging around on that chicken, so we're just going to kind of hold each piece up and let some of that egg come off of it. And I'm going to fill that container just about single layer right there, just like that. Then, show you how easy this is. Put the lid on and then shake it around. All right, now we're going to take these out, and you can see that they're just lightly coated, just like that, and onto our lined baking sheet, lined with aluminum foil and sprayed just so slightly with a little bit of cooking spray. And just make sure, guys, if you pull a piece up and it's not coated all the way, just mush it around in there to make sure that it does have some of that coating on it. All right, I'm going to finish with the rest of these pieces, and then we're going to get these in the oven. Okay, guys, now once your chicken is all placed on your pan, give them a little bit of a spritz with your cooking spray. Getting aimed in the right direction helps too. And then into that 400-degree oven. Okay, guys, time for a taste test on our Copycat Wendy's famous spicy chicken nuggets. Oh, those are good. And so tender, you guys. And you know what? We even made them very, very low fat because we nixed the deep fat fryer. How do you love that, right? And so easy. My word. I'm going to serve this and a few more that I've got in the oven to my family tonight. They're going to love it. You guys got to check that out. Give it a try. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that for us. We'd love it bringing these fun things to your house as well. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.